Plaza. A round of applause. By the way, my name is Host Stanley, and I will be your host on this amazing occasion. Feel at ease and let's enjoy this evening. Tonight is a special night not only for a couple, but of course for the lovely family, relatives, and friends who are here with us, because this day marks the new beginning of their lives, being together as husband and wife. So please make yourself cozy and find for any available seats as we're about to start the lovely program for tonight. Tonight offers a day of celebration, and I'm extremely delighted that all of you are here to celebrate for Richie and Jovelyn's lovely spending day. And I welcome you here in Marmaris Hall here in San Luis for Plaza and Torres. No shoes in your wedding reception. A round of applause. Palakpakan naman dyan. Can I hear some noise? At the back, palakpakan naman dyan. Sa kabila, palakpakan naman dyan na may kasamang hiyawan. Lahat tayo sabay-sabay, magpalakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Ladies and gentlemen, in behalf of our lovely couple for tonight, I would like to say thank you to all the participants who came for tonight a lovely event. Thank you so much. From where I'm situated right now, it is evident in everyone's expressions that you guys are all excited to meet and witness our set of Entourage on the processional. And without further ado, please help me welcome our set of Entourage to start with the proxy parents of our groom, Mr. Michelle Mohammed and Miss Josephine Pinchanto. Miss Gina Wasangay and Mrs. Marjorie Lapad. And gentlemen, the moment we've been waiting for, because for tonight calls for a grand celebration, as my distinct pleasure to introduce to you our Mr. and Mrs. Plaza as husband and wife. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Hi guys, good. Thank you for everyone.
Hello sir and mom. You look so gorgeous and awesome for tonight. How are you?
I'm good.
Do you have any few words to our lovely couple?
We wish you a very happy and beautiful love, filled with love, mutual support and happiness, and I can't be more proud of you.
Sino laging matagal maligo at nagpapapagod The promise made in the vow, mistakes and like you promise, Mother will see you through. Best man and maid of honor, raise all your glasses and let's make the loudest cheer once again from Mr. Liz Velasco, our little couple. Palakpakan naman dyan! Parang humigit sa akin yun. Hindi na kami. Sobrang dark. Kontento ka na ba na dark lang yung nakikita mo? Gusto mo ng liwanag? Gusto mo ng liwanag? Anong klaseng liwanag yung gusto mo? Liwanag. Sa dilim? You are putting it up on the darkness of our next to be bright. Ang gagawin natin, iikot muna kita. Iikot muna kita. Papainapan muna kita ng bagya. Siyempre naman, wala makabili dito. Ikot na 3 beses. Ikot na 3 beses. Ikot na 3 beses. Oh, sa akin. Ito na talaga. Lapit. Forward. Music maestro. Music maestro. Sayaw mo muna. Sayaw. Sayaw, sayaw, sayaw. Sayaw mo muna. Sayaw mo muna. Sige. Kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Oh, sige. Kneel down. Ang gagawin mo, Kuya Rusty, pwede bang hawakan mo yung paa? Pwede mo bang hawakan? Pwede mo bang hawakan? Gano'n ka lang po yung paa niya, Res? Gano'n ka lang po? Yes. Matigas. Bakit alam mo na matigas? Alam mo ka lang. Oh, di ba? Yebes, dali naman dito. Yebes. Dali dito. Sige nga, Yebes. Hawakan mo nga rin. Matigas ka rin. Naku, ito na lang wala na ako sa'yo. Ilang beses kayong naglabing-labing ni Yebes. Ilang beses kayo naglabing-labing. Kailangan ba? Kailangan. Anyway, ganito na lang. Gano'n mo kamahal si Yebes? Out of 10, gano'n siya mahal? 101. 101. Kaya mo ba siya magkakayapon hanggang dulo? Eto, pwede mo ba siyang halikan? Pwede mo ba siyang halikan? Pwede mo ba siyang halikan? Okay. Halikan mo na si Yebes. Halikan mo si Yebes. Halikan mo si Yebes. Bakit niya, Yebes, sabi? Halikan mo si Yebes, si Rusty. Halikan mo. Come on. Okay, maraming salamat po, Prince Four ng Chief. Salamat. Hindi yan si Yebes. Si Daphne. Diba? Si Daphne. Okay. Ito na yung formal. Matigas na. Okay, ito na yung formal. Ito na talaga. Okay. Ito na talaga yung formal. Okay, sige na. Ito na formal. salamat.